Hello, good evening. My name is Oscar Meza, and as my final exam for the conversation class course, I will be presenting on globalization. In kindly ask for your attention. Introduction. Today I will talk about globalization and the concept of global citizenship. Globalization is the process that connects countries, cultures, economics, and peoples across the world. It allows ideas, technology, products, and information to move quickly from one place to another. What is globalization? Globalization refers to the growing integration and interaction among nations in has several dimensions. Economic globalization, free trade, global markets, and international business. Cultural globalization, the exchanges of tradition, language, and lifestyles. Technological globalization, access to the internet, fast communication, and digital innovation. Social and political globalization. Cooperation between countries, migration, and the spread of global ideas. What is local citizenship? The, the term global comes from global mass local. A global citizen is someone who understands global use but acts at the local level, respects and values cultural diversity, being a global citizenship means realizes that what we have every day, what we buy, what we consume, how we treat others as an impact beyond our immediate surroundings. Responsibility, interaction, and ethical behavior. And key aspects of local citizenship is the ability to relate responsibility with others that includes showing empathy and respect toward people from different backgrounds, promoting peaceful coexistence and collaboration. The role of professionals in a globalization work in any career, business, engineer, education, health, or technology professionals are expected to demonstrate local citizenships by making decisions that do not harm the environment or vulnerable population, supporting inclusive and work practices in the work. A responsibility professionals use their knowledge to generate a positive impact and contribute to sustainable development. In conclusion, the globalization has commented the world like never before, creating new opportunities and responsibilities to society in this environment we must become citizens, individuals while think globality but act locality, war respectability and war ethical decisions that improve both their and the world. Thank you very much.